Welcome to Trade Theta Options Trader. We'll recap today's close, look at the futures, scan our ETF watch list, a spot opportunity. Today is November 14th, 2016, and the markets, they closed a little bit mixed, with the Dow up another record high, up 20 points, NASDAQ down 18, S&P down about a quarter. Into the futures, the ES holding steady. The NASDAQ and the Russell are coming down a little bit. The Dow is up, bonds are up in the evening session here in futures. VIX is up, crude oil making 1.5% up, almost to $44 again. Natural gas up to 276. Gold holding at 1225, silver's at 17, copper's at 156. The dollar is down a little bit. The Nikkei broke. It's down over 1.25%, and the British pound is almost at 125. I also added the euro to see how much parity we're at. That's up 107, and the Mexican peso, because there's action, it's down to almost 5 cents. Looking at the charts, looks like crude oil was up 1% today on some volume. So this could be a nice reversal for it. Looks like this is coming up slowly, so I'm going to put a buy signal on this, because this is pretty much confirmed. It's not. This is our support here, our resistance support. So a buy on crude oil, short term. Oil explorers came up as well, up above the 20-day moving average, but still below this trend line here. If it breaks that, then we can go bullish on it. Natural gas is actually came up like we wanted it to be. Looks like there's plenty of room to go up at the buy signals here, so this is gonna consolidate, probably smack this line up to the 860 level. Gold up and down today, had a nice buy signal here. Like we said, we need gold to stay in this range, stay above this, so wait for gold to go up. It actually did go up. I bought it this morning because it was really low. And also gold miners also up about 1%. They're up early in the morning, and then they came down in the afternoon. But with this big volume here, this is actually going to be a nice buy for the gold miners. So I bought this morning a little day trade, and then I sold it, but I kept 2/3 of the positions. Silver here is going up in the afternoon session, so silver is going to be a buy, short-term buy for silver. That looks good. So precious metals are making a run. XLE, we still a little negative delta on XLE, and I'm going to keep it that way. XLU looks like it's coming up in this afternoon session. XLU is a short-term buy, but it looks like we might want to reverse it up here. So actually, this is going to be a short as soon as it comes up a little bit more. And XLI, we are short on it with a cheap put. Now this trend line is kind of lofty, so I expect this to come back down. Material sector looks like it's drawing some sort of wedge here, and we gotta find out which way it's gonna break. Something like that. See where it comes from. coming from nowhere in particular, but we'll kind of see if it hangs out around this level or kind of breaks down again. Looks like the healthcare sector is coming back down into this channel. So this is actually going to be a sell now that it's in this channel again. There's a righteous sell on there. Expected to come back in the channel. We'll reverse it, take our profits again. But we'll just add on to that. Is the real estate sector, and that's coming up above that level. So we have a buy signal still long on it. So leave that alone. We're long on the home builders, kind of getting a little lofty here. So definitely broke the channel. So we'll wait for it to come back down. Retail sector, explosion up. We're going to take a sell on this. Sell signals on retail again. Financials is actually going to be another sell signal on financials. S&P, we have a short signal on that. The Dow, we have short, another sell signal today. So let's sell. This is for today. So I'm pretty bearish on the Dow. The Qs, a little less bearish on the Qs, but the Qs look like they're going to be hanging around in that spot for a while. And this is another one that I took a good short on. The Russell. Emerging markets, this is a long position, so it's a lot of trades going on. Japan, we got a long on there, so we'll keep that going. China, see if it comes down a little bit, then go long again, get another bite at it. India, same thing, broke out, kind of hanging, looking for support down there. Russia was down about 0.5%, but looks like at the second half of the day it came back up. So we're gonna go long Russia, like, even though we don't want to. The Eurozone is down low. The British pound took a hit. Now it's right there at the apex. We don't know if this is going to move up or down. But as long as it's on this trend line here, we're still bullish on the British pound. The dollar is just breaking up higher. So broke this trend line. So now on high volume. So this is high volume here. So to take a short on here, I'd like to wait for a sell signal. And the VIX. VIX is no position. Was down 0.5% today. Not too much action. Went through the charts pretty quickly for the first time. So it looks like we have our situation where long oil, long natural gas, gold. We're going to go long gold just because of the price action today. And gold is one of my biggest positions, and I believe it's not going to break out of here. I don't know why this square is here, but no square. Well, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, ask some questions, I'll answer them right here. As far as I haven't shown you no option strategies, anything like that. Don't have any subscribers, but till then, trade safely. It's going to be volatile. Make sure you got plenty of theta. When the VIX gets up there, that's when it's time to sell premium like crazy. I use ETFs, but also I use the ETF list. Let's see, kind of like, say I want to short the financials. Here we go into financials, and Bank of America ripped up 6% today. So we can just take a quick look at Bank of America and see what's going on. Till then, peace. See you tomorrow.